Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet and Crafts. My name is Sonali. So in my last video, how to crochet little bunny boy part 1, I showed you how to make this head, legs, body and these belts for this cute little bunny. And in today's video, in part 2, I'm going to share how to make these arms, these ears, this tail, and I will also show you how to sew these body parts. Alright, and I'm going to share a separate video to embroider the eyes and the nose. So let's start, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done. Thank you. I will start with the arm. So for the arm, first make a magic ring and then 4 single crochet into the magic ring in row 1. In row 2, 2 single crochet in each of the 4 stitches. So at the end of row 2, there will be 8 stitches. From row 3 to row 7, I will not make any increase. I will just make 1 single crochet in each of the 8 stitches. So at the end of row 7, the stitch count will remain 8. After row 7, keep a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn, then fasten off and continue to make one more piece the way you made this one. Now moving on to the ear. So for ear, make a magic ring and then 6 single crochet around the magic ring for row 1. In row 2, 1 single crochet into the 1 stitch and then an increase into the next stitch. So repeat this total 3 times, and at the end of row 2 there will be 9 stitches. In row 3, 1 single crochet into the 2 stitches and then an increase into the next stitch. So repeat this pattern total 3 times, and at the end of row 3 there will be 12 stitches. In row 4, 1 single crochet into the 3 stitches and then an increase into the next stitch. So repeat this pattern for 3 times, and at the end of row 4 there will be 15 stitches. In row 5, 1 single crochet into the 4 stitches and then increase into the next stitch. So this way repeat the pattern total 3 times, and at the end of row 5 there will be 18 stitches. From row 6 to row 7, do not make any increase, just make one single crochet in each of the 18 stitches. So at the end of row 7, there will be 18 stitches only. In row 8, one single crochet into the 4 stitches. Then decrease into the next 2 stitches. So repeat this for total 3 times, and at the end of row 8, stitch count should be 15. From row 9 to row 10, make one single crochet into the each stitch. So at the end of row 10, the stitch count should be 15. In row 11, one single crochet into the 3 stitches. And then a decrease into the next 2 stitches. So repeat this for 3 times, and at the end of row 11, stitch count should be 12. In row 12 and 13, do not make any decrease, just make one single crochet into the each stitches. So at the end of row 12 and row 13, stitch count should be 12. In row 14, one single crochet into the 2 stitches. And then decrease into the next 2 stitches. So repeat this for 3 times, and at the end of row 14, stitch count should be 9. In row 15, 16 and 17, make one single crochet into the each stitches. So at the end of row 15, row 16 and 17, stitch count should be 9. Keep a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn, then fasten off and make one more piece the same way you made this one. For tail, make a magic ring, and then in row 1, make 4 single crochet around this magic ring. In row 2, 2 single crochet in each stitch. So at the end of row 2, there will be 8 stitches. In row 3, make one single crochet in each of the 8 stitches. So at the end of row 3, there will be 8 stitches. Keep a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn, then fasten off. Now I will assemble the pieces. Starting with the head, first put the head at the top of the body and start sewing this way. Now the arms. First determine the position parallel to the leg and start sewing. Same way, sew the other arm. Now coming to the tail, put the tail in this position where we change the yarn color. Alright, now start sewing. Now coming to the ears. First determine the position in between row 3 and row 4. Fix the other ear as well. Check the positions and start sewing one by one. Now for the belts, sew one belt in these two positions. And similarly, continue to sew the other belt as well.